Whoa, what just happened? But I can breathe underwater?
You can now.
Wow. How?
I don't know. It's just an ability of mine.
Oh, okay. Anyway, who's that guy?
Oh, he's...
Oh, well. I am the king of the sea. I rule everything. I make everything happen.
And what's your name again?
Poplio. King Poplio. Oh, yeah, I forgot.
How can you forget the name of your king?
I don't know. I just did. Can't get mad at me for that.
Oh, I can't. Well, I just did. So, why did you come back down here with this fool?
I wanted to explain something to him. I wanted to tell him why I'm angry at him.
Yeah, why are you angry at me?
You see, Foxy's evil. And the reason Foxy is evil is because of you arguing with him a long time ago on Christmas. Well, I think New Year's, about who got the best Christmas present. And you guys fought.
Oh, wait, so Foxy's been evil ever since then?
Yes, he has.
I didn't know I caused that.
Well, you did.
Oh, okay.
Now that we've aired everything, I would like to say that I have an old friend of yours. Chaos. Or should I say, cheese.
What? How did you?
Yes, I brought him here.
You didn't. I did.
Yeah. Hi.
Brother.
Who are you?
Oh, that's your older brother. You never got to meet him. His name is Cheese, just like yours.
What? How is that possible?
Why did you change your name to Chaos, Cheese?
Oh,
Ooh.
Shut up. There's no reason
Were you embarrassed that as a Dark Lord such as yourself, you had to be named Cheese?
Oh, no, of course not. I'm fine with the name Cheese. I just like the name Chaos more.
Why would you want to be named after evil?
Oh,
Is it because you want to be more edgy?
please never say the word edgy again in your entire life.
Why?
Oh, no reason.
Because you sound cringy.
Hey, I'm not cringy.
Yeah, of course he's not cringy.
Yeah, you kind of are though.
Well,
Oh,
Give him what he deserves. Thank you, Willow.
No. Chaos. No lying. Just tell Cheese why you changed your name.
Fine. I wanted to be more edgy.
What does that word mean?
Damn it.
Oh, well, it doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, it doesn't mean anything.
Just kidding. It means cool and, red.
Nobody says red anymore.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, anyway, time for everyone to die. Whoa! There we go. Oh, hello, Yoshi. You're back again, even after getting a beating, I see.
Yep.
Well,
You see, all of your enemies, I've met them. I've met every single one of your enemies. It doesn't matter who they are, I've met them. I've met Foxy, I've met Chucky, I've met everyone. I know all of them. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, yeah! Ah, no! Jacob!